Morning everyone, day 26 here. I'm about to head on to Denver to check out this view. Absolutely beautiful, ain't it? I could see how somebody would enjoy this.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto East I-25, Frontage Road.
Well guys, I just came over to Aqua Hot. And Aqua Hot does not service their units here. So I gotta go over and talk to John at Heat My RV, which is about 10 minutes, 5 minutes from here. Well, I sure wish I had fueled here. I paid $3.13 a gallon, but I was below a quarter of a tank. Well, everyone, I guess this is where I'm spending the night tonight. This is just outside of Fredrick. I think it's Longview, Colorado. I think that's what it is. Or Longwood, something like that. Anyway, I'm obviously not the only one. We've got campers, we've got car campers, we've got vanners. They've got a really nice big lot back here behind the McDonald's. Not the quietest place, but you know, the truck stop ever is. Wasn't exactly where I planned on spending the night. The whole deal with Aqua Hot didn't go as smooth and clean as I had hoped. Anyway, there's quite a bit around here though. There's, you know, you got the 7-Eleven down there, there's a Taco Bell, McDonald's, all within just a quick walk. That's actually an Arby's over there. Well, I gotta say it was a pretty long and, well, interesting day with this Aqua Hot. Of course, Aqua Hot doesn't service their own units. They build them there, but they won't even come out and look at it or warranty it or anything else. You have to take it to an Authorized Service Center. So I took it over to John with Heat My RV, and well, my timing's awesome because he had just left on a road call. So I ended up basically killing the day in his parking lot waiting for him to get back. And then he informed me that that warranty that Aqua Hot gives you when you get a rebuilt unit does not apply if you install it yourself. It has to be installed by an Authorized Service Center for the warranty to even exist. You know, and that in itself really frustrated me, because when I was talking to Aqua Hot about this whole deal, they knew that I was pulling this and shipping it to them, and they knew I was installing it, installing the new one, and they never said anything about that whole deal with the warranty, and that kind of upsets me. You know, they should make that very clear. Anyway, I did manage to get the switch from John, and he also told me how to get that pump to prime itself, because that's what it is. These are gear-driven pumps, and he says every now, you know, a lot of times you'll have one zone sometimes two, but that just won't prime, and you have to apply pressure to the system when it's running to get the pump to prime. And he also said it's not uncommon that after a fresh install you start rolling down the road, you're gonna find air pockets in there, and it's not uncommon for a pump to lose its prime after a fresh install and you start rolling down the road. So I think that's what's happened here, and we'll go ahead and get that pump reprimed, or at least attempt to, and get this switch installed, and hopefully that fixes the Aqua Hot problem. After I got the switch though, it was getting kind of late in the afternoon. Wasn't exactly the best place in the world to do that anyway, especially trying to shoot video, because it's right there along the interstate and very loud, very noisy. So anyway, I was just kind of frustrated and didn't feel like messing with it. I'll find a more suitable place to do this, hopefully tomorrow, and get this thing installed, get it up and running, get this off my brain. Anyway, hope you guys had a great night, great day. We'll hang out here and try and get some sleep. Yeah, overall this is a pretty quiet truck stop, so yeah, shouldn't be a big deal. Anyway, peace out, people.
Thank you.